This guide provides 5 methods to copy iPhone to laptop with the USB cable or wirelessly. Method 1. How to transfer data from iPhone to laptop with one-click hot. If you want to transfer iPhone data to laptop without iTunes, Mobikin Assistant for iOS is the best alternative to help you out. It has the ability to transfer everything from iPhone to laptop and vice versa. How to transfer data from iPhone to laptop with Assistant for iOS. Install Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Connect iPhone via USB. Choose data type. Click Export to transfer data to laptop. Method 2. How to copy data from iPhone to laptop with iTunes. Open iTunes. Connect iPhone via USB. Select iPhone icon. Go to Summary. Choose This computer for backup. Optionally, Encrypt backup. Click Backup now to start iPhone backup. Method 3. How to move data from iPhone to laptop with iCloud. Check iOS version in Settings General Software Update. Enable iCloud in Settings iCloud. Tap Backup now for iPhone backup. Download iCloud for Windows. Sign into iCloud on laptop. Enable iCloud. Click Apply to sync data. Method 4. How to transfer iPhone data to laptop using Windows Autoplay. Connect iPhone to laptop via USB. Tap Trust. Choose Import pictures and videos from the pop-up. Pick an existing or create a new backup folder. Select Files. Click Import to save to the chosen folder. Method 5. How to copy from iPhone to laptop via email. Select Files on iPhone. Tap Share. Choose Email from the options. File becomes attachment. Add recipient. Click Send to email. Access email via laptop browser. Download attachments.